I feel like there's a hole in the brake booster because when you step on the brakes, you can hear it squealing. The brake booster on this truck is not mounted on the firewall with the master cylinder. It's mounted under the cab. And when you step on the brakes, you can hear it squealing. And when you do that, the engine starts to lug down because it's drinking brake fluid, which is not ideal. So with the brakes acting the way they currently act, you've got two modes of braking. You can push down on the brake and it will slowly, ever so slowly, roll to a stop in about 100 yards. Or you can double tap the brakes and lock up all four wheels right now.